Welcome back to Taffy Two Wheels. Today I'm out with Gilly Bikes. We're going towards Scarborough Way and on the east coast, so please stay tuned for further video clips and shenanigans. Ta-da!
And show us your boobs.
Oh look, we're in York. Let's stop here, shall we, and see what's happening here. I think we might get an hotel here for the night. And go out on the lash. Right, join me later. Taffy Two Wheels on the lash in York.
And York is well known for being lots of Roman past history. So now we're going to go and look at some buildings and possibly lick one of them. Feel, love that, what you think? Yo, yo, yo! Taffy Two Wheels in the house, shaggers. In York, not New York, but York with Mr. Gilly Bikes.
Word up to your bad self.
Yes, hanging with my homeboy.
He said homeboy, no.
Homeboy.
Not the other.
Yeah, Roger. Over.
Oh, don't, no.
No, no, no.
Rogering.
No Rogering and no overing. Out. Shatters. Jory. Please go on the cruise with me.
I'm just in this Indian restaurant. That's what it's called. It's in York and it's the best Indian I've ever had in my life. The chicken melts in your mouth. It's just the best Rogan Josh. Sorry, chicken tikka Rogan Josh I've ever had. If you're in York, please get yourself down to this restaurant. It's absolutely fantastic. Great staff, great food, great price.
Taffy Two Wheels here. I'm with Jiju in, what's the restaurant called?
Kalpagawadi.
What?
Kalpagawadi.
Yes, you heard that. I'm not going to repeat it because I can't speak Indian. Are you Indian?
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Right, he's a Taffy Two Wheels fan, and we're in this restaurant in York with Mr. Gilly Bikes. I've just show me your sticker. Show me your sticker. See, I've got the sticker. We've got the sticker. Taffy Two Wheels sticker. Please like and subscribe. Catch you later. Bye.